In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Elastic Volume Weighted, Moving Average, and Envelope indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. This guide is designed so you can follow along on your own chart, step by step, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what to type, and give you a few helpful tips along the way so you understand what you're adding to your chart, not just how to add it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or anything you normally trade. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the chart window for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that to open the Indicators panel. When the Indicators panel pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This search bar is the fastest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search bar to activate it. Now, in that search bar, carefully type Elastic Volume, Weighted, Moving Average, and Envelope. You don't need to add anything else, just make sure the spelling is correct so TradingView can locate the right script. As you type, TradingView will start narrowing down the list of results. When you see the Elastic Volume, Weighted, Moving Average, and an Envelope indicator appear in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, it will be added directly to your chart. After the indicator is added, you'll notice new lines and envelopes overlaid on your price chart. To adjust how this indicator looks or behaves, move your cursor to the indicator's name on the chart or in the data box at the top. You'll see a small gear icon which represents the settings. Click on that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can fine-tune things like the length, colors, line thickness, and visibility on different time frames. If you're just getting started, it's often a good idea to leave the default settings as they are and focus on visually understanding how the indicator reacts to price and volume. You can always come back later and tweak these options as you grow more comfortable. If you're not already using TradingView Pro and want access to indicators like this with more flexibility, check out the sign-up link in my description. That link will take you straight to the official TradingView page where you can create your account and upgrade if you choose. And that's it. You've successfully added the Elastic Volume, Weighted, Moving Average, and Envelope indicator to your TradingView Pro chart and learned how to access its settings so you can customize it to your own trading style.